So the end of my hose is damaged, and instead of replace an entire hose, there's a cheaper fix that costs about $8. So the hose is damaged here at the end where the nozzle goes on. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut the hose off right in this area and then put a new end on right here. This will go over where we cut it off at, and then it'll have a new end on it. So this piece is $8. And then we'll cut it with those scissors, and we'll use the screwdriver to tighten this on. And that's it. That's what we're going to do right now. Okay, so we've taken our nozzle off, and now we're gonna cut the hose right here. I'm gonna have to set the phone down. Okay, that was not easy to cut. It's a pretty high quality hose, but those scissors eventually got it. So now we're gonna put that end on. What caused that, and I'm gonna have to figure out what to do, maybe to pad this so it doesn't happen again. It's this hose reel cart. It's got this notch, so I leave the hose stored here, and that has cut into it over the years. So that's the problem, if what's causing that I'll have to put some padding over there. Okay, so we're gonna put this end on first. Put that on the hose. Okay, so we loosened up those screws just a little bit so that would slide on the hose. And now we're gonna push this part right here inside the hose. Okay, so I got the end on. Now I gotta do is slide this down and tighten those screws, and we're done. Alright, so there's the finished product. And just turn the water on. So, does fine. No leaks. So a lot cheaper than buying a new hose. And this was a male end for this end of the hose. They also make one for the other end that goes to the house. So, hope that helps somebody.